What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Neymar Jr. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. Let's come all the way around towards the bottom of that circle and then slowly bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's start by lining up the top of the circle on the right side. And we want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm going to draw a small circle coming in and then back out, and we'll line that up on the right side. Let's fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We'll start over on the left side. We'll start with a curve coming down. And we'll bend that up towards the right. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. From the bottom of the nose, let's step down and draw the mouth, starting on the left, bend this down, and then up. And step down in the middle, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start on the inside, curve this up above the left eye, and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up, and then out. From the inside of the eyebrow, draw two straight lines going up. And then on the left side, we're just going to go up and just taper this down towards a point on the outside. Let's go to the right. We're going to go about halfway, going up and in. Now I'm going to add that cut, coming down at an angle, angle this back up and out, and then continue that curve out towards that point, and we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out and curve the head, coming down. Just going to bend that in underneath the lip, go across, and then bring that up on the right. Now you want to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting back over on the left, we're going to bump this out, go up, and then in. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We'll start with a curve, going up, and then bend that down. Now I'm just going to add some layers of hair. Stepping over, curve this out, and then up. Taper that back down. Step up and add another point, going out and up, and then bend that back in. Now on the side, I'm just going to bend this out, and then bring that down towards the right. Let's go back down to the side of the head, curve the hairline going up and in around the eyebrows. Bend this up and then in towards the top. Now from the top, I'm just going to bend this out and then down towards the side of the head. Now I want to draw the front edge of the hairline. Starting back over on the left, draw a small curve coming down and up. Just going to work our way across towards the right, going a little bit larger, and just varying the size of these curves, working our way across. Now move to the side and draw in the ears. From this point, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, come down, and just bend that in towards the side of the head. And then along the top, we're going to add a fold, going up and then out toward the side. Go back to the inside and add a hook, coming around and then in. Let's go back and add the mustache and beard. Starting from the left side of the nose, bend this out around the corner of the mouth, and then down. And then from here, bend this out, and then up toward the side of the head. From the corners of the mouth, bend this out and then down along the side. And then we'll close out the bottom, coming down underneath the lip, and then back up. Now I'm going to go back and add a fold along the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left, bend this down and out on both sides. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, going down, and then back up. Let's go up to the top and add a collar, drawing a half circle, going down and up. Now from the center, we leave a gap, go to the left side, bend this out and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add that Nike symbol on the top left. So we're going to start from the top, curve around, and then hook that up towards the collar. Go back to the left, come down, and then up. And then we'll add that number 10 in the center. Let's start over on the left with the 1, draw 2 straight lines coming down, close out the top, and then the bottom. Now I want to move over and square off the 0. Start from the top, come down, go across towards the right, and then back down, and it'll trace out the inside. Now from the center, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up towards the top. And we want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. We're also going to add a toe cap on the outside of the foot. Curve this in and then down towards the sole. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the left side, bend this out, and then bring that down on the top of the feet. Let's go to the top of the leg, add a curve coming down and then in for the bottom edge of the shorts. Let's leave a small gap, add another curve across the top of the socks. Now I'm going to draw 2 more lines on either side to add the stripes. So add a thin stripe along the top, come down a little bit lower, and add a thicker stripe. Let's add that same number 10 on the right side of the shorts. Start with an angled line, down the 1, and then again, square off the 0. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So start the arm right here, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We start from the bottom of the thumb, and come down, and just bend this up around that bracket. Step down along the side, curve the second finger going out, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, and then bend the arm coming up, and then in underneath the head. Let's add 2 wristbands. Starting from the top of the thumb, add a curve going up and then out. And I'll step up and draw that again. Let's go to the top of the arm along the inside, add another curve for the sleeve, going up and out. Now you want to add that same curve just down below for that stripe. Let's add 2 patches on the side of the arm. Starting on the left, come down, angle this up, and then back out. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right, starting along the bottom. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Neymar Jr. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please drop a like because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.